Hi there, my name is Mark Fairley for the Fuel Project, and this is the first in the video series, Know Your Enemy. The purpose of this video series is to explore the formation of the One World Order from a biblical perspective, where it's come from, who's behind it, and where it's going in the future. Now we're going to be covering a lot of ground over the coming months, and this is just a short introductory video to give you an idea of the kind of topics that we're going to be looking at. I also invite you to get involved on the Facebook page, which is www.facebook.com/thefuelproject.
One night in December, pictures and boxes remind me of something. I miss the days when our fingers were touching. The memories of losing you, you're like a ghost chasing when I said to you, I wish you would listen, I wish you would listen, I wish you would listen. Just second guesses, looking for love like a bride looks for dresses. Every mistake turned to some sort of yearning. Our heart that was hollow has filled up with meaning. The memories of losing
Of CO2. Evidence shows that human activity contributes to global warming by adding to and changing the levels of the gases responsible for the
I wish you